Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Preeti, your life coach and law of attraction guide. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys an amazing manifestation technique. This is called mirror manifestation. Are you ready for it? Let's begin. So I started practicing the mirror manifestation method a few months ago and it has changed my life. Trust me guys, it is beautiful. It gives amazing results. It is very simple. It's one of the easiest manifestation techniques. So in this technique, you're going to use a mirror, any ordinary mirror. So what you do is stand in front of the mirror and look at yourself. Look into your eyes and say to yourself, I love you. I accept you. You are amazing. You are wonderful. You are capable. And you deserve all the happiness in the world. The universe is helping you manifest everything. So look at yourself and say these words. Say it like you mean it. Say it from the bottom of your heart. You don't need to say these exact words, but you need to tell yourself that you are wonderful. You need to say these positive affirmations to yourself. You need to tell yourself these wonderful things so that the mirror reflects that positive energy. So whatever positive energy that you're sending to the mirror with your positive words, they are going to reflect back into your life. And that positivity is going to multiply. So make sure you stand in front of the mirror and say these wonderful, positive, uplifting things with a very strong intention. By completely meaning those words, by completely believing in those words, saying it from your heart. And when you do that, the mirror will reflect and multiply those positive words and multiply that positivity and send it back to you into your life. Do this every day. It doesn't even take 5 minutes. It is very easy. There are no rules to follow. All you need to do is stand in front of the mirror and say these wonderful words and completely mean it. Believe in it. And that's all. Try it for the next 30 days and you will see magical results. Trust me on that. I'll soon be posting a success story, my personal success story, using this mirror manifestation method. So stay tuned. I hope you guys try this method and please come back and comment below all the wonderful positive things that you guys are able to achieve using this mirror manifestation technique. It is so easy, so you must follow it. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.